I'm Ben Fine. I'm a clinician scientist at the Institute for Better Health and the physician lead at the Operational Analytics Lab here at Trillium Health Partners. How's My Flattening is an open science collaborative of passionate, data-minded Ontarians who are essentially analyzing and visualizing Ontario's response to COVID-19. If we take ourselves back to March of this year, there were stories coming out of Italy of physicians needing to decide who gets a ventilator and who doesn't. At that time, the prospect of ICU overload seemed very real here in Ontario. We felt compelled. We needed to tell the story simply to Ontarians. We have urgent decisions to make right now about whether we'd like to follow curves like Italy towards health system overload or places like South Korea, who had used tracing and testing aggressively to help limit the spread of the disease. I think we're trying to show with our data as well that this is a team effort. Ordinary citizens in Ontario are looking to their public health and government leaders to have efficient testing, tracing, isolating and supporting measures in place. And so we measure things like turnaround time for testing and tracing on our website. Government leaders are looking to Ontarians to do their part in terms of distancing. And so we measure things like mobility and how far people are moving on different methods of transportation. I think what's exciting here is that this amazing group of people is showing Ontario and the world what you can do when you bring open data, the right mix of analytic skill sets, and open source software together to move the needle on healthcare outcomes. It inspires great hope in me for what impact the next generation of healthcare analytics leaders in Canada will have on healthcare outcomes.